I bet 600,000 yen on banker. Come on. Start with a queen. 6 is fine too. Win. Ah, they overtook me. Win. There was no bird. One time, right? I won quite a lot, and since I survived, I'll properly return it tomorrow. I'll return it tomorrow.
Okay, let's do it.
Time. Let's do it one more time.
Properly. Understood?
Got it.
In a proper, calm state of mind.
I'll let you off with this much for today. Yeah, that was close. Good job.
This person is holding out well. It went up to 2.5 million once.
Alright, let's get started today as well.
Alright, let's do it. You won quite a bit the other day, right?
I won the other day and I returned it with that.
Oh, you got a phone call, didn't you?
Yeah, was it?
Okay, that thing.
Fine, it's fine. I returned it once and borrowed again, and I'll increase this to 10 million. I'm borrowing from all over the place now. Various places from all sorts of related parties. It decreased, but well, if 4.2 million becomes 10 million, it should be fine. And the shooter is just starting.
What situation is this? You have to make it 10 million?
This you see at the opening when the shooter always starts, 2 cards are dealt. See, it came out as 2 first. When an even number comes out, it's banker. You said that right? Yeah, this.
Even number is the...
Sure, for now, let's start with 100,000 yen. If an odd number comes out, it's player. That's the opening game.
The stakes are high for this.
This succeeds more than 75% of the time. That's a failure. It's player probably. Completely. The start is bad.
Start? Why don't you go a bit easy? 10.
10 is going easy. Even with 10, I'm going easy. The key here is that it was a natural 8. The natural changes theory. A natural is the beginning of a streak.
You said that, right?
I'm saying that too. Sometimes it hits naturals like crazy, you know. Yes, nice. Yeah. I pulled a 9 on the 3rd card and won.
I'm hearing that religious talk.
And just when you think it's a streak, I'll invoke the next religion. When you win on the 3rd card, it continues. Naturals are risky. After it's decided by a natural 8 or natural 9, it changes next. I am going to believe in this today. Today, okay? Today it is. See, I won. And it's a natural 8. This is banker now. So
It's gonna change again?
try changing it. Let's believe in this religion for once today. Well. I'm sure everyone has their own logic, but
The viewers too, right?
viewers too. But you see, that logic about the natural 8 changing, I've just set up a hypothesis for that today. It's a back and forth battle, I see.
Nice one, yeah.
Perfectly matched. Nice. Now player won, but they won on the 3rd card. Since they won on the 3rd card, I'll bet on player. Also, don't forget that a pair just came up. Everyone remembers, right? Pairs repeat, so I'll bet on pair too.
The pair god.
Right? Pair god. Pairs are crazy. I've seen them come 7 times in a row.
You said that, right? Yeah?
Once you believe, you should keep betting. Okay, player looks good. Overtaken. Banker overtook us on the 3rd card. That means it's banker. I'll put this 80,000 yen change. Betting that, we are playing no commission baccarat now. So only when banker wins with a 6, the payout becomes 50%. Yeah, that's what no commission, no fee means. Yeah, no 4 conditions please, picker. One with 4 conditions. Well, I'll bet on banker for now. Probably the masses will, mostly go for player. The roadmap is showing 1-2-1-2 right now, see? Many people will go for player. Oh, maybe not. Before that, 55% was banter. I see. They want to make a streak. I totally get how they feel. Okay, player 5, banker 2. From 2 to 6. Nice. Everyone's doing well. Since it was drawn on the 3rd card, I'm sticking with banker.
Well, you're winning steadily.
A bit of a good start. I lost the opening game, so I wondered how it'd go. My natural theory or whatever nonsense I call it, it's working. 73% of the commoners are on banker too. Oh no, it's no good. Lost to a natural 8. Player natural 8. Next, probably over 80% will go for banker. No doubt. I'll bet on banker too. Now,
The natural change theory.
right, the natural change theory and player only comes once. This is a base bet. You keep your starting balance and bet the rest. 160,000. The biggest bet today. 6 conditions. Stay like this. It's a tie. Tie, yeah. After a tie, you bet on tie first. And a pair almost came just now.
Same, right?
Yeah, the same numbers.
Give up.
The same numbers on the board. I could only bet 20,000. This is no good. The response is slow. Maybe because of the glasses. No, it's getting close. Wait. This is bad. Isn't it a tie? It's a tie. Nice. See? Ties repeat. Nice. So tie is like an offering. An offering. I bet 20,000, so I just won 160,000. For the next one, I'm feeling banker, so I'll go with banker. I've got up nicely now. Usually, for player, when it's a standing 7, if you can't win, it's a bit tough for those who bet on player. Yeah, so in times like this, I'll go for a pair next. Like this,
Oh no.
Wait. 7-5, so it's player. In times like this, first I'll place it on a pair.
You were saying that back in the beginning. Keep betting on pairs until it stops.
Right. Well, I haven't got a pair yet, but even so, there are 3 aces now. Basically, it means the same numbers are clustered together. I mean, I want to follow it.
Here it comes. Wow, amazing. Yeah.
I won the main bet too. This is 5-5-5, right? In this case, you must bet on a pair. Next time too. Besides, I just won. I won big just now. So it's like this money wasn't even there.
In just an instant, like
I pushed player a bit just now. Scary. Come on, okay. Face, good. At worst, just stop. It stopped. Well, okay. Feeling good. Nice. That's nice. In top form
today? I guess getting the money back cleared your head a bit.
True. Probably, once you clear things up in your life, it really means you've got everything properly in order. By putting all your affairs in order, making sure everything is sorted out, luck just comes flowing in, almost as if it finds its way to you naturally. That's how things work, you see.
I wonder.
From 5-2. I got overtaken. Things like this happen. Next is banker, no doubt about it. Now looking at the roadmap, next let's look at the middle one. A blue circle means it's player. Oh, but look at the bottom right. The bottom right looks like red is coming. Everyone will go for player probably. Oh, but it's surprisingly 22%. I should have gone with player. I have a feeling it's player. Oh no, it's a face 9. Yes, yeah, it hit from 1-1. No way, it's player after all. Damn it, I bet the same way as the masses. Now, the second player a tie is coming. Everyone, let's bet on tie. And it looks like a blue circle is coming. There are various theories on this. I could only bet 10,000. I'll just wait and see. This is the main tie bet. Main tie bet. Tie.
मैं bet.
Be pie bet. Come on, become 0. Good thing I didn't know. Now please look at the bottom right roadmap. It's been alternating. It looks like red is coming next. It's banker. Going for banker. 120,000. I think I probably explained that there are 4 patterns for these trend charts as well. Looking at various, look, there it is, natural 9. Now what to do? Natural 9. Since it's a natural, let's keep believing in the bottom line. The bottom right is blue and red alternating, so next is player. Let's go, we're winning. I just got it, I won 120,000 just now. Now 7, not bad. At worst, let's stop. Yeah, from 4 to 2, third card. Now it went down to 3. No good. 6 banker. Now everyone, you already know, right? First I'll place it on the pair. And I think I taught you that a 6 banker is the start of a streak.
Even I remembered that.
Right. You remembered it? Glasses girl. Give me the glasses girl. Now glasses girl, first it's not a pair.
3-0.
Nice. The opponent made it 0. Nice. 6 banker, the start of a streak. Yeah, each of those trend lines might be saying player, but it's banker. This is completely player, according to all the trend lines. But basically if the main trend line hasn't won 4 or more times, a pair. And since it hasn't won 4 or more times, no, it's no good. It's following the trend line just as expected. Now wait.
Is that it? Because it hasn't done the basic processing.
Yes, that's it. If I can't get the next one, I might change tables.
It seems like the chemistry is good, bro.
No, well, this glasses girl worked hard, so it's about time to say goodbye here. The flow isn't good right now. Look, the opponent has a face card and a 9. Look, natural line. No good, this damn glasses girl. Yes. Thank you very much. But that?
With the commission.
Anyway, I'll close it for now.
I've been wondering for a while, what is this? What is it?
This is what?
What's this, Gorn?
This is Eldoaz, a site called Evolution.
Eldoa E.
Eldoaz Evolution.
What is that?
Well, online.
This.
Gambling, or rather,
Right. Various card games, baccarat, poker, and maybe slots too, though I don't play them. Well, there are many games, the variety is huge. I recommend it.
I have actually been wondering for quite some time now. What exactly are those girls doing over there?
Yeah. No, they're real. They're doing it in some country.
In which country?
In some building in some country 24.
24 hours?
Well, like this, they probably sleep.
Oh, in shifts?
They probably sleep, eat and go to the toilet, but they take turns and keep going while taking breaks. It's like they're doing it forever.
So that's why it's called a live game.
Exactly. Look at all these tables, and this is just for baccarat.
Wow, I see.
So many choices.
You can just
Go wherever you feel like. There are so many of them. And as expected, there are few no commission ones, but it's fine since there are so many.
Gee, you like the line.
For me, I'm all about no commission.
I see. What kind of system is that? Oh,
I am in. I just joined. This is good. It's just started.
so you're depositing and withdrawing, right?
Well, you see, there's no upper limit for deposits and withdrawals here. Basically, you can withdraw as much as you want. And it's always on the same day. Natural 9 for the banker. Same day processing is a lifesaver. You can get your money back when you want to.
So that's why you keep doing that. I see.
Right? Let's start by putting 50,000 on the player. It's the natural change theory. Anyway, this place has the most games and there's no upper limit there.
That's great.
Exactly. Plus standing 7. Wait, I can't talk about that now. Nice. I won that. One with a 7.
And
Eldoa, right? For me, this is...
Nice.
I only play on Eldoa.
now you just have to win.
The thing is, being able to deposit and withdraw on the same day is great. I could withdraw 4.3 million right now.
Right now?
Yeah. Since I have this balance, if I wanted to pay someone back right now, I could do it immediately. It would be annoying if there were all these fees piled on top. We lost that one.
Focus a bit, focus.
Focusing, I thought it was a pattern, but I'm doing a base bet. I told you about it, right? Base bet? It's based on the balance. I'll keep today's base of 4.2 million and bet the rest. That's a base bet. That way, even if I lose, I feel like I'm even. That's a base bet.
You're in a tight spot.
Nice. 2 aces. Nice one.
Thank you.
but isn't it really hard to reach 10 million?
I'll get there soon.
Your betting style is scary. You bet 600,000 in one go the other day. I can't even imagine that.
600,000. It's just a normal day. and the upper limit. That's another good thing about Eldora. It's really... Oh, I lost. There's a wide range across different tables. Right now, I'm at a table with a 1 million max limit.
I see. So you can choose.
Right.
From minimum bet.
Yes, you can, and there are even higher ones. So 10 million is easy for me. If I bet 4.2 million and win, that's 8.6 million. Or 8.4 million.
That's true, but
It's a natural 8, it's here. Alright, switching now.
if I leave this alone, it'll go on forever. I feel like I have a responsibility to stop it somewhere.
No, it's just started.
Yeah.
Well, just warming up.
Nothing seems.
In marathon terms, we haven't even reached the 5 kilometer mark. It starts from here. Yes, nice.